go. All right. Just caught my second yellowtail. Hopefully I don't lose him. He's pulling. I'm gonna just horse him in here. Get him in here. I want to get him up. Huh? That's the way to do it. All right. Oh, he's pulling me.
Let him pull it.
Woo.
You're getting tired.
Yeah, I'll get tired. Second day in Mexico. My GoPro wasn't working on the first one. The first yellowtail. Having technical difficulties. But we fixed the problem right now. Getting them up. Jaime's gonna gaff them for me.
Jaime said you're on your own. You gotta gaff your own fish.
Oh.
No, hell no. Are you gonna hit the line?
This belt I have on right now is helping a lot. I see color all the way down there. Oh, oh, he's pulling. Let me get it away from the boat. Pulling them up. Here he comes up.
Another big one.
And he got him.
Look at Johnny.
Yeah, Bruiser.
Bruiser.
Wow.
Let's go, Jaime.
Throwing his shoulders
Woo.
up.
Thanks. Yeah, thank you. That's nice. Look at him, you guys. Woo. Thank you. All right, third fish.
Oh yeah.
Third yellowtail. Oh, we're on two. We got a double. We got a double.
Yeah.
Dad, I'm gonna go this way.
Yep. Hey, I got on the fish.
No, I'm getting hit too, and they're coming wrapped up.
Oh, we're all getting hit. There's guys over there. They're on.
I know I am now.
We found a little school. Third one. Oh, I can see fish down there. Coming up. Color. I see color. Here we go. Coming up quick. Sorry. All right. Whew.
Right here, somebody's line.
Line. Oh, you just keep. Oh yeah, you can get it off easy, Ruben. Whoa.
Let's go, you guys.
Take the hook off. Hey, don't start recording.
It worked.
I know.
Is it on, John?
Everything's on. Check us out. We're on. He's on. We're all on right now. Oh, it's okay. Bumping it.
It's bumping.
Woo, that's pulling. We just found something came like a scoop. And we saw that come.
Hold on, you guys.
Bringing them in slow. I want to make sure I catch them. I might be on my dad. I don't know. We'll see what happens right now, bro.
No, don't say that.
Shit.
Stay away from me, John. Stay in the middle over there.
I'm in the middle. Something's pulling. We're out here catching yellowtail in Mexico with Jaime.
Take him that way, John. Take him that way.
With Jaime.
Take him on the other side. Come around now.
I'll try. Bringing them up. Color.
That way, Johnny.
Color.
Keep his head in the water.
Color. Got him.
Nice.
We already got Norm's on.
We got it.
We got this one, my dad. Woo! Triple.
Ruben's still on.
Check them out, you guys.
Beautiful.
I miss Bongas.
Ruben's said he got a mark.
We're gonna catch my dad's Yellowtail.
Look at
It's pulling, look at Mexico fishing, you guys.
Wind died down a little bit.
yeah.
Here, but okay, here you go.
Yeah.
Okay,
A little different.
here you go.
Norman's back.
He's hooking me up with the new bait so we can get it because there's a school right now. I'm gonna go down that way. He's running that way, Norm. My dad.
I'm already getting hit.
My dad's coming up. There it is, you guys.
Oh,
Check it out. Triple. Triple, triple.
nice, guys. Good job, everybody.
You guys got them all.
Woo. Alright, here we go. Got another one. Yellowtail. He's pulling. It's another
When all
school.
the traffic left, we started banging them out.
Another school came through. We got him.
Already? Like swimming for the boat. Get him in, John.
I can see him all the way down there. Damn. It's coming up. Slowly. Coming up.
There's somebody's bait here, so you gotta bring your lines to check it out, make sure that it's not under the boat.
Oh, that was the bait? That was the bait coming up, you guys. That wasn't even the fish. I saw something coming.
Yeah, I was out there. Part might be,
No? Are you out there? Okay, so you okay, then throw back, throw back. Get to the water.
Throw it back, Hyman says. Should be coming up. What color? Oh yeah, I see color.
yeah,
Yeah,
Johnny.
for sure
He
color.
came in swinging in the fourth quarter, dude.
He's
Woo!
Yeah, I like that, Anchorman.
Look at him, you guys. Yellow.
Damn, my boy.
Dang. Another one.
Johnny.
Take it, Grandpa. We're good.
4 seconds.
Let the rod clip. Okay, hold it. Yeah. There you go.
Alright, you guys. Another yellowtail on right now. I think I'll go on my left, Norm. Go around real quick.
Whoa. I'm gonna flip out the back.
Gotta sit down real quick. Caught too many yellowtails. My grandpa caught one right there.
Yeah.
I'm trying to bring this guy.
Johnny, back up.
Come on.
We put 2 brand new baits on, Grandpa. Alright, this one's coming up slowly. I'm gonna just hold it until he's done pulling. Because he keeps pulling. Yeah, he's not going nowhere. I can't do anything. There we go. I got a new setup. My dad set me up with this one because the old one kept busting. It's coming up slow. I don't see color yet, but I'll let you guys know when. I don't know what this is. Oh,
I think it's falling.
I'm getting tired. We're all waiting to see what it is. We don't know what it is yet. I know.
Work on that one.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I see color. Okay.
He's hurting my feelings. Hurting my feelings. Oh, Johnny. Already, Ruben?
Wow, you guys.
Oh, nice, Johnny.
Look at him.
That is
Doubled up. My dad, I'm gonna record my dad's right now. Just got that one. My grandpa just got one too. Triple pretty much. Yeah. Another triple, you guys. Alright. That one's going in. Let me put the hook up. Okay.
Really? He's gonna go to the rock, Ruben.
It's trying.
I missed it. He's gonna rock.
My dad's on.
He's trying to go to
I got some color coming.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I don't. Well, no. He went back down. He said, oh, yeah.
You saw my grandpa's, mine, and my dad's coming up right now.
I stopped.
Get him, Dad. I see color. Oh, let me show you guys the color when it comes up. That's how it looks like when it comes up. Got him.
Just got to bring your head towards you, you know what I mean?
Once you get him head going towards you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm learning.
All right, day 2 in the books. Out here in Mexico. Today was our last day. We made just a little half day. We didn't stay out there all day like yesterday, but we ended up just catching yellowtail today. And damn, I forgot to get the fish in the inside the container thing. But we got our limit on yellowtail. It took us a little while. They started biting towards the end, but yeah, we did good yesterday and we did good today, and that's how we should end it here. This was a good ending for Mexico. Check it out real quick. It's a little windy right now, that's why we had to come back in. It's very like 1 o'clock, and yeah, today was a good day. This whole trip was a good day. Thank you for my grandpa for inviting me and my dad for inviting me and taking me. Yeah, and hopefully like next time we come we get more people to come. I heard there's supposed to be like 12 people coming, but it didn't work out. But I ended up coming and I had a great time. Recommend you guys to come to Mexico too and catch those yellows. Those yellows put up a fight. The calicos put up a fight, and the halibut was like the best. That was like the icing on the cake for sure. But yeah, we're about to go back to the United States, and hopefully I got more videos for you guys over there too. But we won't be back here till next year, so until next year, you guys. Peace.